1000 Inventions that changed the world. Electroscope. The electroscope, an essential instrument in the study of electricity and its behavior, has played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of this fundamental force of nature. Dating back to the 18th century, the electroscope has a rich historical perspective, closely intertwined with the exploration of electrical phenomena and the development of scientific theories. Origins and early development. The concept of the electroscope can be traced back to the pioneering work of scientists such as William Gilbert and Otto von Guericke in the 16th and 17th centuries. Gilbert, in his seminal work, De Magnete, described various electrical phenomena and introduced the concept of electrification. Von Guericke, on the other hand, constructed early devices for generating static electricity, laying the groundwork for further experimentation. The modern electroscope, however, owes much of its development to the contributions of the English scientist William Gilbert in the early 18th century. Gilbert's design consisted of a metal rod with a lightweight needle or leaf suspended at its top. When charged with static electricity, the needle or leaf would deflect, providing a visible indication of the presence and magnitude of the electrical charge. Scientific exploration and applications. The electroscope quickly became an indispensable tool for scientists and researchers exploring the properties of electricity. It played a crucial role in early experiments that led to the discovery of fundamental principles such as electrostatic induction, Coulomb's law, and the conservation of charge. Throughout the 18th and 19th centuries, scientists used the electroscope to investigate various electrical phenomena and advance our understanding of electricity. Notable figures such as Benjamin Franklin, Charles Augustin de Coulomb, and Michael Faraday made significant contributions to the field of electromagnetism, often relying on the electroscope to conduct their experiments and verify their hypotheses. Principle of operation. The operation of the electroscope is based on the principles of electrostatics and charge induction. When a charged object is brought near the top of the electroscope, it induces a redistribution of charge within the metal rod, causing the needle or leaf to be similarly charged. Like charges repel each other, causing the needle or leaf to deflect away from the charged object. The extent of deflection provides a qualitative measure of the magnitude of the charge. Modern applications and variations. While the basic principles of the electroscope remain unchanged, modern advancements in technology have led to the development of more sophisticated variants for specialized applications. Today, electroscope designs may incorporate digital readouts, improved sensitivity, and enhanced precision, making them invaluable tools in fields such as electrostatics research, environmental monitoring, and high-voltage testing. In conclusion, the electroscope stands as a testament to humanity's quest to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. From its humble origins as a simple metal rod and leaf to its modern incarnations, the electroscope continues to inspire scientific inquiry and exploration, serving as a bridge between theory and practice in the study of electricity and electromagnetism.